Welcome back to Force of Nature. Or if this is your first time here, you've come to the right place. The moments you're about to witness are rare events captured at the perfect instant. Earth is always beautiful. Peaceful oceans, serene mountains, vast skies bathed in light. But sometimes, nature changes, and when that happens, humanity is utterly powerless against its force. Let's begin. Scientists warn that our planet is changing. Storms are getting stronger. Floods are becoming more dangerous. Global temperatures are breaking records. Nature is becoming more unpredictable, violent, and dangerous than ever before. Around the world, cameras have captured terrifying moments that seemed unbelievable. Moments of landslides sweeping entire villages into lakes, like the video you're watching here, or violent storms tearing apart homes in an instant, as if the end of the world were
coming. Офигеть! Oh my god!
This delivery guy is so lucky to have found such a safe haven. God bless him. In many places, people could only stand and watch as floodwaters swept away bridges. Vehicles disappeared beneath the raging waters. Families fled in panic throughout the night as storms, floods, and landslides shook the ground beneath their feet. There was no warning, no escape, only chaos. Some people narrowly escaped death, like this guy on the motorbike. God protected him, and there were moments so terrifying that they still haunt those who witnessed them to this day. just a few short seconds, a massive rock suddenly slid down from the mountain with immense force, completely crushing the car below. With no time to react, the car and the rock were dragged straight down into the abyss. A terrifying moment that showed just how small and fragile humanity is in the face of nature's cruelty. Today, you'll witness some of the most horrific natural disasters ever captured on camera. Moments of sheer terror, devastation, and the struggle for survival, recorded by ordinary people facing the unstoppable power of nature head-on. Some narrowly escaped death, some lost everything. And there are moments so terrifying. They still haunt those who witnessed them today. Before we begin, ask yourself this question. If nature truly unleashed its fury, would humanity have a chance of survival? Here are moments where nature pushed beyond its limits. Stay tuned and subscribe for more fascinating videos. Thank you for watching.